Yeah, hi Shane. Hope you're well, mate. Hey, look, James, our foreman that did Rosse Bay for Kate, just recently is actually looking at building his own place with his partner Rachel. I've done the drawings and we're just looking at. We had some options with some high spans, but the deflection is is quite a lot, and we don't really want any issues further down the track. So what we've got is they've got this internal corner which there's two sliding doors, and when they open they look like something like this, where the internal corner is actually cantilevered. There's no post. So what we would like to know would be, what would your engineering sort of proposal be for coming up with a solution for the structural steel on the inside. I'll just move to the floor plan. So basically, what we're looking at is this area here. So there's two sliders. Now the span is for that slider is 3.1, and for this one we're looking at 2.9. Um, I was sort of thinking, rather than a cantilever with a beam, is to possibly install a structural steel element from, say, this point all the way across to this point, which is a good 7.4 meters. And if it had a tab on it, then we could just install a lintel crossing into it, which would obviously strengthen this whole cantilevered internal corner up. It is a high wind zone. It's a light roof, timber subfloor, and those are the spans that we're sort of working with. So we're trying to sort of come up with a solution where we can have this set up, but obviously don't want any issues with the sliding doors further down the track. Um, so yeah, would really appreciate if you could look at sending us a proposal basically to get all the engineering done for council. Yeah, that'd be great. Thanks, Oshin. Cheers.